Meet the B-21 Raider, America's next-generation stealth bomber. Revealed in 2022, it's designed to evade the most advanced air defenses on the planet. Unlike any previous aircraft, the B-21 can launch both conventional and nuclear weapons, and it's fully digital, with open architecture allowing constant upgrades. It's so stealthy, even its exact capabilities are classified. Costing nearly $700 million per unit, this flying phantom is expected to serve well into the 2050s. The future of strategic bombing has arrived.